Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have an Audi A6 and in this car I will show you P256500 turbocharger boost control position sensor circuit high. I will show you where is the location turbocharger boost control position sensor. Okay, here is the engine room. If my video helpful for you, please first subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, and you can see here engine room and right side. See, right side here is one filter came. Remove this filter and then see here, this is the turbocharger boost position sensor. This one, see, this one. You can see here wire is inside. I will show you now. See, see, this one turbocharger position sensor. Fix it wire. This one. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.